Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your headphones is shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, we need to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, at the back side, at the bottom of the left ear cup, we have power button or system button or connectional button. Just press and hold this button to turn off them. Now your headphones disconnected from the phone, you press and hold again to turn on them, and your headphones will reconnect to your phone. Now check, is it fixed? If it doesn't, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly we need to turn off them, so press and hold the system button. After that, press and hold again this button until you will see the red LED light. Firstly, these headphones turn on, then enter the blink mode, so start blinking white. It's okay, just keep holding this button and look for the red LED light. Here we go. After that, you can release your finger and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. Now tap at your headphones or maybe on your Android or Apple device you will see a pop-up. You can also click connect. But let's do this in this way. The best one that we don't need to remove them, because on another headphones we need to remove them firstly, then add it again. But right here we just tap at the device list. Also, I forgot to tell you at the beginning that we also need to check if you have the latest software version, sorry. So, if you have Android, you need to open Beats application. And if you have iPhone, you need to go to the settings and then tap at your headphones at the settings. And now look, as you have the first line information, the button update. Click at this button. If you haven't, it means that you have the latest software version. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.